macOS 26 Tahoe has been released, and while trying to install it on your MacBook Air, Pro, Mac Mini, Mac Studio, or iMac, you may encounter various installation problems such as the update not appearing, unable to check for updates, stuck on searching, the upgrade button not working, stuck on downloading or preparing, or errors like the software up. Installer could not be downloaded or Tahoe package is missing. Don't worry, I'll show you how to fix all these issues. First, here are some basic things that often interrupt the update. Make sure your Mac has more than 50% battery. It's best to plug it into the charger since the whole process can take several hours. If no update is showing, confirm that your MacBook is compatible with macOS Tahoe. If it's stuck on the spinning wheel while checking for update, or says unable to check for update, this is usually an internet problem. Check your connection speed and stability. Troubleshoot your Wi-Fi if needed. You can also force quit the software update section and try again from the beginning. If macOS 26 Tahoe appears, but the upgrade button doesn't respond when clicked, it could be a temporary glitch or due to pending updates. Start by restarting your MacBook. After restart, go back to the update screen. If the button still doesn't work, scroll down, tap More Info, and check for any pending software updates. Even if there were no pending macOS updates, other packages might be waiting. Install all pending updates first, then return and click Upgrade Now. Once everything is clear, downloading should begin. During download, if you see errors such as Software Update Installer could not be downloaded, it's likely due to internet or storage. Since your internet is fine, make sure you have enough free space, ideally a few extra gigabytes. Clean up some storage if necessary, and try downloading again. After downloading, if it gets stuck on preparing for updates, or shows the same estimated time like 30 or 35 minutes for a long time, don't panic. This is completely normal. In my case, it stayed on 44 minutes for about half an hour before it started installing the packages. Just be patient and let it finish. Installing overnight works great. If it remains stuck for too long, try again after a few days. It usually downloads fine then. Once the installation completes, your MacBook will restart multiple times. Each time you'll see the Apple logo, the progress bar will appear, disappear, and reappear. Just wait patiently. When it's finished, it will restart on its own. Hopefully your issue is now resolved and you have successfully installed macOS Tahoe. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. Thank you for watching.